Hello, this is Grapher and we're going to look at the equation palette. I'm going to add a new equation, y equals. I'm going to click so I am beyond the equal sign so that I'm ready to enter something, and I want to enter the cube root of x. Alright, now I can get this several ways. The first way is over here on the right where the capital Greek letter sigma, also called the summation symbol, is. If I click on that and it's there, I can just select it right off of this. Alright, if it's not there, I can go down and say show equation palette. And the third way is under window, I can do the drop down and say show equation palette, and under the heading standard in the equation palette I can pick the cube root symbol. Oh, double click there by mistake. Going to delete this and do it again. Alright, it's the cursor is underneath the radical symbol, and I'm going to just put in X. And as you look at that cursor, it is still under the radical symbol. If you would want to add anything else outside of the radical symbol, you should press the right arrow. Then you could add something outside of the radical symbol. We're going to just back off and leave it the way it was. Press return. Moving the equation palette out of the way, you see the graph of the cube root of x. Alright, for the next I'm going to add a new equation and move my cursor so that it's beyond the y equals symbol. I'm going to make it x plus pi. Remember, don't add extra spaces or it will be interpreted as a multiplication. I'm going to go in the equation palette to the Greek letters, click on pi, and press return to graph it. Now pi, of course, is 3.14159, and with this linear equation you see that it is going through the y-axis at 3.14159. Thank you. That's using the equation palette. Of course, you might want to look at the other operators that are available and also the other symbols that are available. And of course, under the standard you have your round down and round up functions. We might look at those in a future tip. This is Grapher and using the equation palette.